Have you ever wondered what truly separates the superwealthy from everyone else? Is it luck, a secret formula, a rich uncle? While those things might play a part for some, the real difference, the one that truly matters, isn't in their bank accounts. It's in their minds. It's a fundamental shift in how they see the world, money, and themselves. Today, we're diving deep into this very topic. We're going to uncover the 3 crucial cognitive shifts, the 3 pillars of the millionaire mindset, that empower individuals not just to get rich, but to stay rich. These pillars are shifting from a mindset of scarcity to one of abundance, focusing on creating value instead of just trading time for money, and committing to a lifetime of financial learning. Stick with me, because understanding these concepts is the first, and most important, step on your own journey to financial freedom. Let's start with the first, and perhaps most foundational pillar, moving from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. The scarcity mindset is the default setting for many of us. It's a lens through which the world looks limited and full of fear. It operates on a zero-sum game principle. For me to win, someone else has to lose. If a coworker gets a promotion, you feel like you've been passed over. If a friend starts a successful business, a part of you feels a pang of jealousy, as if their success somehow diminishes your own potential. This mindset keeps you playing defense, focused on not losing what you have, rather than on creating something new. It's a constant state of anxiety, where every financial decision is driven by fear of lack. Now, let's flip that coin. The abundance mindset is the complete opposite. It's a belief that there is plenty of success, wealth, and opportunity to go around for everyone. It's characterized by optimism and a collaborative spirit. Someone with an abundance mindset sees possibilities where others see only problems. They believe that another person's success doesn't take away from their own. In fact, it can often create new opportunities for everyone. Let's take a real-world example, a job loss. For someone with a scarcity mindset, this is a disaster. It's a source of panic, a confirmation that the world is a brutal, competitive place. But for someone with an abundance mindset, while it's still challenging, it's also viewed as an opportunity. It could be the push they needed to finally start that business they've been dreaming of, or a chance to pivot into a new industry with more growth potential. Think about networking. From a scarcity perspective, networking is about getting something from others, seeing them as competition to be outmaneuvered. From an abundance perspective, networking is about building genuine, mutually beneficial relationships. It's about asking, how can we help each other win? This simple shift from what can I get to what can we create together is a hallmark of the wealthy. They build powerful networks because they genuinely believe in lifting others up, knowing that a rising tide lifts all boats. This brings us to the second pillar, and it's a game changer, focusing on value creation over trading time for money. From the moment we enter school, most of us are programmed for one path. Get good grades, go to college, get a safe, secure job, and trade your hours for a paycheck. You work 40 hours. You get paid for 40 hours. This is the time for money trap, and while it can provide a steady income, it has a built-in unbreakable ceiling. Why? Because there are only 24 hours in a day. You can only work so many hours, and you can only ask for so many raises before you hit a limit. Your income is directly tied to your physical presence and your time. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. The wealthy, on the other hand, understand a different equation. They know that true wealth isn't about how many hours you clock in, it's about the amount of value you provide to the marketplace. They focus on decoupling their income from their time. They build systems, create products, and offer services that can provide value to thousands, or even millions, of people, often without their direct, hour-to-hour involvement. Think about an author. She writes a book once, but she can earn royalties from that single effort for years, even decades. Her income isn't tied to the hours she's currently working. It's tied to the value that book provides to readers around the world, day and night. Or consider an entrepreneur who builds a software application. They invest time and resources up front to create a solution to a common problem. Once it's launched, that software can be sold to an unlimited number of customers, generating revenue 24/7. The business runs and creates value even while the founder is sleeping or on vacation. This is also the core principle behind investing. An investor uses their capital to fund other businesses or ventures that solve problems and create value. Their money is working for them, generating more money, completely independent of their time. The fundamental shift is from thinking how can I earn more per hour, to how can I create a system that provides value to more people. This is how you break through the income ceiling and build scalable, sustainable wealth. Finally, we arrive at the third pillar, the unwavering commitment to lifelong financial learning. Here's a common and dangerous misconception. Many people believe that their financial education ends the day they graduate from school. They learn how to earn a paycheck, maybe how to create a basic budget, and that's it. They know how to make money, but they have little to no idea how to manage it, how to make it grow, or how to protect it from inflation and taxes. This lack of financial literacy is one of the biggest barriers keeping people from building wealth. They work hard their entire lives, but their money doesn't work for them. It just sits, losing value over time, or gets spent on liabilities they mistake for assets. In stark contrast, the wealthy are perpetual students of finance. They understand that earning money is only the first step. The real game is what you do with it after you've earned it. They are voracious readers of financial books. They attend seminars. They listen to podcasts. They hire coaches, and they consult with experts like accountants and financial advisors. They make it a priority to understand the language of money. This concept was famously popularized by Robert Kiyosaki in his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, where he stresses the importance of financial intelligence. Wealthy individuals make it their business to understand the crucial difference between an asset, something that puts money in your pocket, and liabilities, something that takes money out of your pocket. They master concepts like cash flow, learning how to direct money into assets that generate more money. They study different investment vehicles, from stocks and bonds to real estate and private businesses. Understanding the risks and rewards of each end, they grasp the incredible power of compound interest, which Albert Einstein supposedly called the eighth wonder of the world. This continuous education is what allows them to make smart, strategic decisions with their capital. It's how they turn their earned income into passive income, making their money work tirelessly for them. They don't just work for money, they understand the system of money, and they make that system work for them. This commitment to learning is a non-negotiable habit of the millionaire mind. So there you have it, the three pillars that form the foundation of the millionaire mindset. It's not about some secret handshake or a lucky lottery ticket. It's about a profound internal transformation. First, adopting an abundance mindset, seeing opportunity and collaboration where others see scarcity and competition. Second, shifting your focus from trading your limited time for money to creating scalable value for the marketplace. And third, committing to a lifetime of financial education, so you not only earn money but also know how to make it work for you. Achieving wealth is far less about your external circumstances, and far more about the mindset you choose to cultivate every single day. I want to leave you with a challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Reflect on your own mindset. Where do you see scarcity thinking in your life? Are you stuck in the time for money trap? When was the last time you learned something new about personal finance? I encourage you to take one small, actionable step today to begin implementing one of these pillars. Maybe it's consciously reframing a negative, scarcity-based thought into one of abundance. Maybe it's brainstorming one idea for a product or service that could create value for others. Or maybe it's as simple as ordering a financial book or subscribing to a quality financial blog. The journey to wealth begins with a single step in the right direction. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this valuable, please give this video a like. And subscribe to the channel for more content designed to help you master your money and your mind. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments which of these three pillars resonates with you the most. And what's one step you're going to take this week? Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.